again, guys. I'm in office again. Just got a quick project I'm doing today. I'm doing some dog lead holders, obviously with dog print on there. I'm going to be using my 20-degree fluted bit, 0.2mm on point. If you can see that. Well, that's what I'm going to be using. And then I'm going to be using my Dremel again, just to do out clear out. I've got a 2mm bit in end of there, but I'm also going to be using an ember just to clean out bigger stuff out, make it nice and neat. So yeah, I'm just going to get cracked on with that then. Now it's all sanded, I'll be putting it up in centre so dog lead can go on. And once that's on, I'll coat it in polyurethane and then we're good to go. So just a quick recap. Dog lead holder, which is 5" wide by 8.5" high. Obviously routed dog paw out, sprayed it, get it a quick once over with 40 grit sandpaper, added the hook, polyurethaned it and signed it. And that's it, job done. Thanks for watching, guys. If you'd like to share, like and subscribe, feel free. Be much appreciated. See you at next project.